Power up like never before with the AOHI 140-watt PD 3.1 laptop power bank. This 40,000 milliamp hour powerhouse is both a portable charger and a desktop station, delivering lightning-fast 140-watt charging for MacBooks, iPads, phones, and more. Its smart bidirectional power distribution keeps it charged while in use, and automotive-grade battery cells ensure safety and efficiency. With 3 USB-C and 1 USB-A port, it powers multiple devices at once. Reliable, fast, and built for all your charging needs. Stay cool and comfortable with the keyboard wrist rest with fans, designed for ultimate support during long hours of typing or gaming. Built-in fans provide a refreshing breeze, preventing sweaty palms, while adjustable lighting enhances your setup. The 30-degree angle adjustment ensures a perfect fit for any keyboard, promoting ergonomic wrist support and reducing strain. Made from premium materials like PU leather and silicone, it's durable and stylish. Meet Loona, the smartest robot pet dog, designed for endless fun and companionship. With a high-definition RGB camera and 3D2F sensor, she recognizes faces, understands gestures, and navigates effortlessly. Powered by ChatGPT-4 and Amazon Lex, Loona responds to voice commands in multiple languages. She plays fetch, interacts with objects, and even doubles as a home monitor. With new gesture recognition and improved AI, Loona keeps evolving, bringing joy, intelligence, and security into your home like never before. Meet the PGYTECH 2-in-1 roller camera backpack. Switch effortlessly between a rolling suitcase for smooth travel and a backpack for rugged terrain. The customizable divider system keeps gear secure, while the expandable 10-liter front pocket adds extra space. Silent double wheels, a sturdy aluminum handle, and splash-proof PU fabric ensure durability and ease. With smart storage and premium craftsmanship, this backpack is the perfect companion for any adventure. Meet the Nubia RedMagic 3-in-1 Powerbank GAN charger, your ultimate charging solution. With a 5,000 milliamp hour battery, 20-watt power delivery, and a built-in USB-C cable, it keeps your devices charged anywhere. Plug it in, and it becomes a powerful 65-watt gallium nitride wall charger for laptops, iPhones, Samsung, and more. Its slim, stylish design fits in your pocket, while the LED display shows battery life at a glance. Fast, efficient, and travel-ready. Feel the power of the future with the SHARGE Moss 40-watt GAN charger. Its sci-fi-inspired design houses rapid 40-watt charging, powering 2 devices at once. GAN tech ensures compact efficiency, while Advanced Protection 3.0 keeps your devices safe. Confidently charge iPhones, Androids, and more. Introducing the SHARGE Disk Plus, the world's thinnest 0.24-inch SSD enclosure, ultra-portable yet incredibly powerful. With 10 gigabits per second transfer speeds powered by USB 3.2 Gen 2 and the Realtek RTL 9210 chip, it ensures instant access to files, games, and media. A built-in cable keeps things neat, while dual USB-C ports support 100-watt charging. Store up to 4 terabytes of data and snap it to your device with its modular magnetic design, compact, fast, and efficient, the perfect storage solution for work and play. Meet the AeroPress Go Plus, the ultimate travel coffee maker for those who demand rich, smooth coffee anywhere. This compact, all-in-one system brews full-bodied coffee without bitterness, combining the best of French press, pour-over, and espresso methods. Built tough with a shatterproof Triton press and an insulated stainless steel tumbler, it keeps coffee hot for hours. Easy to use, quick to clean, and perfect for any adventure. Protect your iPad Air 5th or 4th Gen with the SEYMAC full-body shockproof case. Built with a rugged 3-layer design and a built-in screen protector, it shields against drops, scratches, and shocks. The 360-degree rotating stand offers multiple viewing angles, while the adjustable hand strap and detachable shoulder strap provide easy portability. A built-in pencil holder keeps your stylus secure, durable, functional, and designed for everyday use. Craft a glowing marvel with a 3D wooden Aurora Jellyfish puzzle. Feel the satisfaction of assembling 355 laser-cut pieces into a mesmerizing, illuminated display. Confidently build with clear instructions and precision-fit parts. No glue needed. Elevate your decor with this unique, artistic piece. This isn't just a puzzle, it's a captivating, hands-on experience and a perfect, thoughtful gift. Meet the WACACO Octaroma Classico, the ultimate travel coffee mug for those who refuse to compromise on taste. Its double-wall stainless steel and vacuum insulation keep your drink hot or cold while preserving every rich aroma. The 6 fluid-ounce capacity, leak-proof lid, and thin lip design ensure a smooth, mess-free sip. Stylish, durable, and perfectly sized for your hand, bag, or car cup holder. Experience ultimate comfort with the VEVOR Towel Warmer 20 liters, designed to evenly heat towels, bathrobes, and blankets with precision. Its 20-liter capacity holds up to 2 oversized towels, while a 24-hour delay timer and customizable fragrance add convenience and luxury. Crafted with flame-retardant materials, it ensures safety with a child lock and high-temp indicator. Transform daily routines into moments of warmth and relaxation with this durable, innovative towel warmer. The VEWIOR Air Purifier delivers cleaner, healthier air with its advanced H13 True HEPA filtration system, removing 99.97% of allergens, odors, and pollutants. Covering up to 600 square feet, it features real-time air quality monitoring, ultra-quiet operation, adjustable fan speeds, and a built-in aromatherapy diffuser. With energy-saving timers and modern design, it's the perfect blend of functionality and style. Struggling with jar lids? The one-touch electric jar opener makes it effortless. Just press a button, and it automatically grips jars 1.2 to 3.5 inches and twists lids off in seconds. Perfect for arthritis, weak hands, or busy cooks. Compact, reliable, and easy to use, this must-have kitchen tool transforms frustration into simplicity.